The learning of STEMs is applicable for the future because science, maths are knowledge, and this knowledge need to be applied. And STEM education like robotics will allow the students to apply this knowledge into real life experiences. And this will be the future that the students will experience. And start them when they are young so that they get more inspired and they'll find that this learning is more relevant to prepare them for the future. It's also good for the future.
其實我會覺得唔係話透過比賽去學到嗰樣嘢，而係話其實傳統學科都有教，不過傳統學科咧就係從知識層面話俾佢知點樣將呢啲知識層面嘅落實咧，好多時唔係一個 lab 兩個 lab 做到嘅，因為好多時我哋學科學完之後，就算我做啲功課、做啲 assignment、做啲嘅實驗咧，都係啱就住你學嗰樣嘢去做，未必能夠有 integrated 嘅使用咯。但係透過比賽咧，就可以將你喺各個層面嘅嘢 integrate， 甚至乎可以令到一啲本來唔係呢個學科層面裏邊嘅嘢混合使用，咁個創意係更加無限。